Hey everybody, it's Resto-Rob, and today we're going to clean up an Estwing hammer. Not some ordinary Estwing hammer, but one with leather handle. So sit back, relax, and check out what I got going on. Over here, we've got these Estwing hammers that I picked up, and I've been wanting to work on these for a while, so these are in the queue. I got two different styles, and I've got some leather to work on them, so I can get the handles cleaned up. So here's our post-wire wheel evaluation. Oh, it's looking pretty good. And we'll now have to knock down all these rough things with the 1x30. But I got it pretty cleaned up from the rust. And you can see right here, I think it's 131.68. I don't know how well you can see it here. And then I have cut out all the other bits. I still need to wire wheel this down. That's the back. Here are some of the bits I used to knock out the middle. And then I found a circular oval shape, kind of like a cookie cutter. But most of the way through here, it kind of came apart. I had it kind of wired together, and it barely lasted to the end. So hopefully I have enough of these to fill this up. Well, here we go. This is a pretty good test fit of the leather onto the hammer. And you can see I got 3 pieces left over. So we're going to try an 80 grit belt. hopefully you enjoyed me cleaning up the Estwing Hammer. I think it came out really nice. It feels good. It's shiny, pretty. Yeah, my first time ever doing leather stacks. So, what do you think? Let me know. Otherwise, stay safe and we will check you later.